Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. Just a real quick short update. We're out here testing the EnnoTool Milwaukee replacement battery, EnnoTool battery, and as you can see here, it is model reference number MIL18V Lion 6 amp hour. So far this thing's doing a fantastic job. I really am happy that I've got this one, and we're going to keep abusing it and just see how long this thing lasts and if it holds up to the Milwaukee and the Bisway and the Lasicas we carry, and hope that these things do great. So far they're doing fantastic. You need to get you one. And again, they're EnnoTool batteries right there, and I'll put their link in the description below. They don't sell on Amazon, eBay. They sell directly to you. I like that. So we're going to show you a link. Get you one. Appreciate it. We always say at Max's Garage Mahal, after you give us a like, a share, and a subscribe, especially, y'all come back, see us now, yeah?